बात पिया, हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली हो एक रांझा और हीर जैसी, न जाने ये ज़माना क्यों चाहे है मिटाना। बम्बई कावाई इचिका-san, इचिका-chan, kawaii, ichika-chan, kawaii. Inhale the New Delhi air. Don't inhale it. Suck it up. Hi, welcome back, ladies and ladies. Yeah, I only want ladies to be on the stream. Yes, but no ladies here, unfortunately. Hi, whoever is there. Nobody's there actually, but hi. Let's continue. Magic. You know, I will do this and you will hear the sound. Isn't that amazing? I'm a magician, boy. What up? भाई क्या हुआ बकरा, ठीक है ना? अभी हो गया भाई, अभी चारा मिल गया उसको। गलत बातें मत कर यार, यार क्या बातें कर रहे हो तुम लोग? कलंक है तू, कलंक याद रखना, कलंक है तू। या ओड़े क्या देख लिया तुम लोगों ने? लगता है पड़ोसी अंकल और बकरे घर में क्या? गलत बात, गलत बात, गलत बात, गलत बात भाई। मैं सीरियस इंसान हूँ बहुत। मैं ना, मुझे ना गुस्सा आता है, किशूम कर दूंगा मैं गुस्से आते ही। नो डैडी टॉक्स। भाई ये चीज़ तुम कब से कर रहे हो? जब से पैदा हुआ हूँ। कौन सी चीज़ की बात कर रहे हो तुम? बकचोदी, बकचोदी नहीं करता मैं। हम तो पुराने ज़माने के इंसान हैं, बाबा आजम के ज़माने से कर रहे हैं सब कुछ। सांस तो ले लेते हैं हम भी। चुप करेगा भाई, खुद को चुप करा रहा हूँ मैं। ये कोडिंग चीज़ तुम पैदा होते ही कर रहे हो? हाँ भैया, मेरे पापा है ना, मेरे पापा रोज़ पैदा होने के बाद रोज़ सिखाते थे मुझे। जापानीज़ में टाइटल लिखा है, बोल रहे हो हिंदी हो? तू बोले तो तुझे मराठी में भी रिप्लाई दे दूँ। कलंक नहीं ये इश्क है बात पिया। Okay, let's go, let's start. Let's start. पिया तो फिर भी जावास्क्रिप्ट सीख रहे हो क्यों भाई? अभी सीखने का कुछ वो थोड़ी ना होता है, इंसान तो कुछ भी सीख सकता है। गलत बातें मत कर भाई। अब तक तो आपकी 10 कंपनियाँ, अब अरे मैं रोज़ कंपनी बनाता हूँ, छोड़ता हूँ मैं। गलत बात नहीं भाई, गलत बात नहीं। मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया था भाई, हो जाते हैं भाई लोग, कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, क्या करें अभी। इंसान हो ना, इंसान ही कंफ्यूज होता है, कोई बात नहीं। What have I done with the chat thing? भाई किस गांव में रहते हैं? Who told you I live in a village? भाई मैं तो टाउन में रहता हूँ, टाउन. I live at a farm. या बकरियों का फार्म. भाई तुम बंगाल से लगते हो, बिहार से हो क्या? या सब लोगों को मैं बंगाली क्यों लगता हूँ? Actually that's true. Bro ain't attracting any Japanese audience. या भाई कोई तो बकरियों की बातें कर रहा है, कोई पता नहीं क्या बोलता है, कोई कंफ्यूज हो रहा है एक्सेंट से. भयंकर एक्सेंट मेरा बंगाली है क्या? दयाम I'm a Bengali boy. Bengali cho. Roshogola. Fuck. Roshogola. Ishona. Fuck. Yes, I'm Bengali. Bengali boy. अगर कल न्यूज़ आए मैं बकरी की, अगर कल कोई न्यूज़ में बकरी की बैड न्यूज़ आई तो समझ जाओ आप कीजिए थे. भाई भैया वही गालियाँ तुम्हें. भाई मेरी गुड़िया, भाई मेरी गुड़िया बना दे. क्या बोल रहा है भाई तू? कैसे कैसे इंसान आते हैं भाई चैट में. Here we are probably too strict. The property list is applied to the whole object structure. So the अरे बकरी क्यों बंद नहीं हो रही? भाई मेरा आज दिल टूट गया. फेविक्विक है ना, चिपका ले. 10 रुपए की आती है अब तो. Here we are probably too strict. The property list is applied to the whole object structure, so the object in the participants are empty because name is not in the list. Let's include in the every list, every property except room dot occupied by. That would cause the circular reference. So let's include that Carry Parry, and Yosh. Damn, what a combination. We'll include every property except mama desine. It's going to be number what else? Place is already there. Nope, it's not. मेरा दोस्त आज अपना मेल डॉल लेके आया और हम दोनों ने मेरे रूम में चिल किया. फिर हम बाहर चले गए. फिर जब आए तो देखा उसका डोल मेरा दिल टूट गया. My guy is using Chrome in Bix 26. So what? You don't know I used all the browsers there are. बकरी से याद आया, पाकिस्तान में प्राइस मनी के बदले प्लेयर्स को बकरी गिफ्ट करी. दयाम तो क्या यूज़ करना चाहिए? Zen? Brave. Fuck Brave. Okay, this would cause an error. The circumvention. I think oh, yeah, meet up. Nothing's happening over here. Boy. A name, number, place, number, name. Why this is mine's fine. Oh, cause of this, I guess. Yeah. Now this was. No. क्या हो रहा है भाई इसमें? Meet up. Let's see if it actually. Oh no. Oh no. Let's include the race in every product except that would cause and my circular reference. Circular reference, not an error. Stupid. Place number 23. Name is that, participants and all that. Room number 23. So that's yeah. So stupid, yeah. Caddy Patty, Yosh, please is that. Fan meetup, yeah. Caddy Patty को मिल के आऊँगा अभी. Brave का UI बहुत बेकार, सेटिंग से सीख हो जाता है. गूगल का सही है भाई, ऐसे कर लेता हूँ. Yosh, Chan, Matane. Hi, Matane. Now everything except occupied by is serialized, but the list is the list of property is quite long. Fortunately, we can use a function instead of an array as the replacer. Oh, that was an app replacer. The function we call for every key value pair should return the replaced value, which will be used instead of the original one or undefined if the value is to be skipped. योक्ष तेरी माता है वैभव, मुझे नहीं समझे कौन सी भाषा है. The function will be called for every key value pair and should return the replaced. My posture is very. Should return the replaced value, which will be used instead of original one, or undefined if the value is to be skipped, which will be used instead of original one, or undefined if the value is to be skipped. In our case, we can return value as is for everything except occupied by. To ignore occupied by, the code below returns undefined. Returns undefined. Like that. Funny. इसको बाहर ही निकाल लेता हूँ मैं. कमेंट मार के कमेंट बना दूंगा. ओ ऐसे ओ पहले से हो रखा था. कमेंट कर दूंगा सब कुछ। और क्या कर रहे हैं? ओमा अरे तो गोजाइमास। Room is 23 ma. Let's just copy it, man. Okay, and then room dot occupied by meet to up. Oh, I need to change one thing. Carry Perry Yorkshire. Room references meetup भाई एक एक चीज़ को पता नहीं कितने बार लगेगा। तो console.log json.stringify and then that's the meetup. Function replacer replace pull. In Korean water is called pull. more yeah, something like that. Key the value return. Let's return if key is equal to occupied by Cupid occupied by then it's undefined or it's just value. That's a statement, guys. Cause room number 23. Oh, it returned all that. Oh, baba bada boom bim bum boom. Console log okay. Objecto key value pairs. Object participants object. What's going on? Object yeah. That's object okay. object title conference participants like that. 0. What's 0? A place is 0? Yeah. Participants object in this name Katy Perry 1 that index 0 index 1 place object and then number 23 occupied object occupied by undefined. Can I copy it without this? Yeah. Oh. यार ये क्या बात है, अलार्म नहीं बजा. यार बजा तो है, पिछली बार क्यों नहीं बजा फिर? ठीक है, क्या बात है भाई, गलत बात है भाई ये तो सब कुछ. I'll be back. दिन आएगा अभी तो चल Title conference participant name Katy Perry, name Yoke Palace, all that. कोई चेंज क्या ही कर रहा हूँ यार मैं please note that a replacer function gets every key pair including nested objects and arrays and array items. It is applied recursively. The value of this inside replacer is the object that contains the current property. Please note that replacer function replacer function gets every key / value pair including nested objects and array items. Item okay. Please know that replacer function gets every key value pair including nested objects and array items. It is applied recursively. The value of this inside replacer the value of this inside a replacer is the object that contains the current property. The value of this, what is this? The value of this inside deja vu. The value of this inside the value of this inside replacer is the object that contains the current property. The function will be called for every key value. It's not this, boy. I was reading this. The first call is special. It is made using a special wrapper object. Need. Then and then. The first call is special. It is made using a special wrapper object. In other words, the first key value pair has an empty key, and the value is the target object as a whole. The target object as a whole. That's why the first line is okay. The idea is to provide as much power the idea is to provide as much power for replacer as possible. It has a chance to analyze and replace, skip, even the whole object if necessary. The idea is to provide as much power for replacer as possible if it has a chance to analyze and replace, skip, even the whole object. I don't know. Okay. Yes. Fine. 2.js. Hi. Formatting space. Formatting space. Formatting space. Formatting space. Time space continuum. The third argument of JSON.stringify value replacer space is the number of spaces to use for pretty formatting. Previously, all stringified objects had no indent and extra spaces. That's fine if we want to send an object over a network. The space argument is used exclusively for a nice output. Here, space 2 tells JavaScript to show nested objects on multiple lines with indentation or spaces inside an object. ये तो मैं इसी में गुथेड़ दूँगा ना, ये तो मैं इसी में गुथेड़ दूँगा. Sorry, क्या लैंग्वेज है भाई, गंदी सी. Okay, तो बता दो here. अब मैं इसी में कर लेता ना. Hi, ba laba. Hi. Don't look at that. Coronavirus. That's coronavirus. My code is infected with comments. Glass to my way. You know what else? What? Pure luck, which you know. I should wear my own. Okay, it's fine. Kalu. Who's got हार्ट अटैक आएगा क्या आज? अब क्या हो रहा है? मैं तो 23 बोलूँगा. कर लो तुम, क्या करना अभी? अभी आ जाओ बेटा. Okay, that's admin. False, whatever, man. Who cares? Editor is through. If he not what he claims to be, then go away. Console logged out. Wow, so clever. Allah. JSON.stringify, and then we got the object. Right. That's the value object. Okay. Then we have the replacer and space. We're gonna get the replacer. Hard it. Replacer is now in the 2:2. Now we can do that too. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Console.log. What if I like ये करके ये कर देता हूँ तो ये सही ठीक है भाई. मन दो अपनी तो ये ठीक है भाई. Ah. And if I were to give pretty formatting, indentation, indentation. Doko. Let's do it would look like that. What about 1? How would 1 look like? 0 but 1. What about 0? 0. 0 yeah. Yeah, now it makes. Oh, ma. It's this, not that one. This is the same thing. Like this is a ma. Kawari-chan, konnichiwa. Kaori. Yeah, the infection, the virus, there goes. We have successfully injected the virus into the code. The third argument can also be a string. In this case, the string is used for indentation instead of a number of spaces. The space parameter is used only for logging in outputs. So what if Kalu? Oh, like that. Ma. Oh. Sorry. Ba. Te. Ko. Shite. Doushite. Koshite. Nande. Kande. Prambe. Okay, 1 reviver, JSON.parse and JSON.custom, all that. Okay, then the questions. I'm excited for the questions. Hi, Kutom. Custom. Like to string for string conversion, an object may provide a method. An object may provide method for to JSON conversion. JSON.stringify automatically calls it if available. Zum. So like that. Oh, that's the date object though. Detto object though. Day.UTC. That's 1, 2. What's happening over here? Like toString for string conversion, an object may provide method to JSON. Like toString for string conversion, an object may provide a method to JSON for to JSON conversion. JSON.stringify automatically calls it if available. Available. Success. Success creation. Success creation, right? Yeah, it is. Success. Is it? Creation かな。書類率と資料、プログラムなどを新しく作り上げる。いやいやいや。Making, creation, preparing, creating やばら。はい。For instance, oh my god, how many times is the room? What's wrong with the room? Room number 69. 6, 7, 69. 69 is fine. Suck. Meet up ですよ。Title. That's an anime con. Yeah, Sakka con. What con? That's a Comic Con. It's a Comic Con. Comic Con. What if I like that? What? Never seen one. That's our date and new date objecto. Then that's the date. .utc and 2017. What about today's that date? Boy. Today's 062. 02. 02. 0. That's the month. 2. That's 1. Yeah, that's 1. Yeah. Today's, yeah. That's the day today. Zoom. What's wrong with the room? Why are you alone? Oh, like, oh, it's just like here, kana? Yeah. Room is this. It comes over here like that. Like that, okay? The whole thing. Like that. Mama. That is bad washing. Console.log. Well, shell is invalid and has been ignored. The value for key, the value for key initial case invalid has been ignored. Title is that. That looks okay. Here we can see date 1. Date 1 become a string. Yeah, that's a string. Z T delimiter and Z is, what's that? Z is something. That's because all dates have been have a built-in to JSON method. That's because all dates have a built-in to JSON method, which returns such kind of string. Now let's add a custom JSON for our object room. Object room to custom to JSON, return this number. This number. This is not the number. What's gonna happen with that? Room is 23 directly like that. Sorry. 조신이 넣나요? I've written this thing 1,000 times. What are you doing? गुल कोई खिलाएगा कभी तो चन तेरे नैना देखो ना तेरे मेरे मन की As we can see, the JSON is used for both. Used both for direct call, JSON.stringify, boy, sorry, boy. Oh, yeah. Yes. Hey, what's wrong with 69? Room number 69 is fine. 67 this time. 67. Okay. 67. Okay. Well, that's also 67. As we can see, to JSON is used both for direct call, JSON.stringify room, and when room is nested in another encoded object. Encoded object. Chung 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 chung. Like that. Okay. Mama. JSON dot parse. I lost my purse. Can you parse? पारस पत्थर. यार मैं हूँ ना. अबे यार कितने हैं भैया बच्चे. अले मैंने तो जब बोला ही था भाई बढ़ गया अपने आप ही. Use reviver. Reviver. What's reviver now? There was a replacer, right? Mama. That was a replacer, and then this one has a reviver. A revolver. Why don't you have a revolver? Shoot yourself. Shoot. Oh, सुट्टा मार. तेरा प्यार सुट्टा मार. तेरा प्यार सुट्टा मार. Tan 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 tan. तेरा प्यार सुट्टा मार. तेरा प्यार. अरे पागल है क्या. पिंडा मैं तेरी रूबरू. तेरे दिए जीव मरू. तेरे तमन्ना मेरी रूबरू. तेरा हुआ जो दीदार मजेदार. मेरे कल का शिकार. कौन सा गाना ये. बस समझ में आ गया भाई. मुझे सब कुछ समझ में आ गया. देख ले मुझे तो आ चुका है. देखो अभी तुम्हें नहीं आता तो मेरी गलती नहीं है भाई. It's not my fault, boy. It ain't my fault. What's this bullshit? Like that, boy. मैं आ जाता हूँ जल्दी से. गया वापस मैं। तुम्हें क्या लगा था कि तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो? टकले लोगो।実況配信बैक दिस मार दूंगा किसी को पता नहीं क्यों। मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में। बिकता हूँ मैं इन दुकानों में। दुनिया नहीं बनाई मैंने अपने हाथों से, बट या अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं बनाया। एक कोड बना रहा हूँ। Okay, let's do it. To decide, to decode a JSON string, we need another method, JSON.parse. To decode a JSON string, like that, bitch. Ma. Reviver. Why is it not revolver? तेह्योका किसने कर दिया तेह्योका आज? Okay. To decode a JSON string, we need another method named JSON.parse. What it does? अरे जबड़ा दुखने लग गया भाई. कैसी लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहे हो? To decode a JSON string we need another method JSON.parse, and the syntax is like that. Now like let value and then JSON dot parse, parse and then there is the string and a revolver. That's it. String JSON string to parse. Okay, and then reviver is optional. It's optional function key that will be called for each key value pair and can transform the value. For instance, yeah, sorry, yeah, it looks ugly, man. Oh, that's ugly though. Bro, it looks ugly. Boom, al. Sorry. Boom. Oh, that's not boom. Yeah, I don't like it. What's wrong with you? Whatever, man. That's annoying. Oh yeah. Ma stringified array. Ma whatever. Stringified array. Okay, then let numbers is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My God, that's fine. Fine. Then numbers. Again, JSON dot parse, and then numbers. Yeah, this is the one. And then now we console log the numbers. We'll do type of also, type of numbers, and we can all we'll just do this also. Let's go with 3. Very boy. Allah. Yes. That's an object. Oh, numbers is it an object? Isn't it? Yeah. Array is an object. Pop. Array is an object. Array is an object. and then that's what we have. Length 7 and this array that we have. Oh, what? Nothing. Something. 3 orders. 3 is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 at 3 we have 3. At 2 we have 2. At 0 we have 0. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. गर्मी, ये गर्मी पूनों में चुभता ही है। और for nested objects, or for nested objects, let user data yeah, who's gonna do that? It's too much. That's too much. Too much, brother. Bibsy. Name is John. Yeah, age is 35 and his admin is false and friends. That's a nested object. Objecto inside an object. Object inside of an object. I got nested object. Let user JSON dot parse and user data. Yeah, hi. Console.lag logins user, and then we can do friends. Who writes friends like that? Yeah, me. Damn boy. That's 4. Okay, that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 doesn't exist. Yeah, let's see what it's gonna give. Unidentified, undefined, I guess. Unidentified. Oh. Okay, sorry, ma. Undefined, unidentified. What am I saying? Undefined. That's 2. 2 is 2, boy. And then this one is the boy. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm talking too much. Like that. We get that. Nested object was being returned over here. Let's go, boy. The JSON may be as complex as necessary. Objects and arrays can include other objects and arrays. The JSON may be complex as necessary. As complex as necessary. The JSON may be as, what am I reading? The JSON may be as complex as necessary. Objects and arrays can include other objects and arrays, but they must obey the same JSON format. Mistake: a property name without quotes. Mistake ko desu. Surname, that's a surname. Single quote in a value. Must be double. It must be double, bro. It must be double. This is false. What? Mistake. Key must be double. Yeah, key must be double. Double days. Birthday. New date. What's wrong with this? They want. Oh. No new is allowed. What do you mean? Only bad values. Why? Didn't we do that over here? We did it over here. Oh. It's for this. The JSON may be as complex as necessary. Objects and arrays can include other objects and arrays, but they must obey the same JSON format. Here are typical mistakes in handwritten JSON. Sometimes we have to write it for debugging purposes. Who does that? I don't. I just prompt ChatGPT. Yeah. If you need that for debugging, you just prompt. Just. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, why? Okay. Name should be double quotes. Single quote not allowed. Should be double quote. Must be. No, not allowed. Double quote. Okay. For keys, double quotes. And this one, no new word. No, not allowed. This is here's all fine. Hi. Besides, JSON does not support comments. Adding a comment to JSON makes it invalid. There's another format. There is another format named JSON5, which allows uncoded keys. Uncoded keys. Oh, like that. And comments as you. Oh, damn. But this is a standalone library, not in the specification of the language. Okay. The regular JSON is that strict, not because its developers are lazy, but to allow easy. The regular JSON is that strict, not because its developers are lazy, but to allow easy, reliable, and very fast implementations of the parsing algorithm. Is that strict not because its developers are lazy, but to allow easy, reliable, and very fast implementations of the parsing algorithm. Reliable and very fast implementations of the parsing algorithm. Reliable and very fast implementation. Yes. Hi. सटक गया भाई मेरा. चलो ये भी यूज़ कर ही लेते हैं अभी तो. Oh, this is the last one. योगता. Okay, mama. Reviver. Psycho. Revolver. It's the same as I am. Imagine we got a stringified meetup object. गला दबा लिया खुद का ही. वाली चाहिए, कोई तो चाहिए, चाय पिलाने वाली, चाय नहीं पीता मैं, दूध पिलाने वाली दूध पिलाने वाली चाहिए, दूध भी नहीं पीता यार मैं तो, क्या बताऊँ, पानी पिलाने वाली। लो जी, बहुत थक गए हूँ जी, पानी पी लिए जी, पी लियो जी। है तेरे नैना, देखो ना, देखो ना। But I've been practicing it. But yes, those also needed. Today I'm gonna do it. Today, if I do today, tomorrow, then by the day after tomorrow I'll be able to record it. Yeah, that's fine. Imagine we got a stringified meetup object from the server. It looks like this. Okay, boy. Sorry. Ma. Yeah, stop laughing. What's this? Meetup, whatever, like meetup and title. And date is this. You ask what? Ma. Date is date. Don't ask. Just see the magic. There is no magic. Let string. Okay, that's what we got. That's what we got. Title, conference, date, 2017, all that. Okay. Yeah. Did you hear that? I'm a magician. Magiclusion. And now we need to deserialize it to turn back into JavaScript object. This meetup title. Title is meetup title, and then date is meetup date. Oh, sorry. And now we need to deserialize it to turn back into JavaScript object. Let's do it by calling. Yeah. Let meet up. JSON.parse. Let's parse, and then we have our string over here. That gives us an error. It doesn't give it an error. This thing does. Get date. Where is the date? We just have this only, not the date boy. Meet up. Okay, we do that. We see what we got. That. Okay, as I said, we got this, not the new date and all that. Whoops, an error. Meetup and date. What's wrong with date? Meetup dot date, and then we are trying to like that. Mama. Buddy. Koi Dakishime Thai. That gives an error. Let's see. Ba over as get to date undefined. Type error. Meetup.error is not a function. Boy, what are you talking about? Boy, it's not a function. Okay. That would it doesn't happen. Okay. Like that. Error. क्या बना दिया भाई? For everything except Eclipse. Oh, damn boy. Whoops, an error. Mama. The value meetup.date is a string, not a date object. Not a date object. Not a date object. It's a fringing string. It's a fringing string. The meetup.date is a string, not a date object. How could JSON.parse know that it should transform that string into a date? There comes the reviver. It's gonna revive the thing. Let's pass to JSON.parse the reviving function at the second argument though. That returns all values as is, but a date will become a date. Sorry. Well boy. That is an error. Well girl. What's up girl? Man, let meet up. Tapuri meet up too. Stop spitting. Parse. That's our string, and then that's our reviver. And as I like to say, revolver. Then we have is that also only that only oh sorry yeah, I know that's a replacer. Ripsing lip sync. Can I lips you? Let's parse to json.parse. The reviving function is the second argument. That returns all value as is, but date will become a date. Date will become a date. I have never been on a date, boy, ma'am. I wanna date a cute girl. String function key. If key is date, return new date value. Okay, who was that? If key is a date. Okay, boy, you got it. Do you got it, boy? Do you got it, boy? Then we return that with the value. That's the value. Okay, value, that's the key. If key is that, the value should like that. Okay, and return the value. If that's not true, then like the overall function is gonna return this thing, the value only. Did I forget that? What's wrong with there? What's wrong with you? Where is it expected? The string key value if sorry that's key and value. Key. How many typos I make? Aren't you using it already? अबे क्या है भाई? अरे ठीक है भाई, मैं कर रहा हूँ ना. Nanda corre. One time it worked like that, so that's why I'm trying it. Yeah, सटक रखा है बस भाई. अब क्या कर दिया? Return. Where is it expected? Where is it expected? Is that return? Oh mommy, what the hell is wrong with this thing? Parse. I don't see anything wrong. String function key values. Am I missing something? That doesn't make any difference. Parse string function key. Revolver. I need my revolver. What? God dang, boy. Am I gonna have to do that? Why is this thing not using this key? Oh, am I not? What? I'm just gonna copy it, boy. So what's the difference? Isn't it the same thing? Let's go. Let's do 3, okay? What's wrong with mine? Function. What the hell is that? Function. Boy. Oh my god, I always make typos. Meet up dot meet up 2. It became 3. Fine. Date and then get data cows is like that. And my copensol. Let's go. New method I invented. Copensol. Meetup 3 dot data of course. Get data, date, not data. Mama. Oh, sorry. क्या करूँ ओलेज मैं हूँ आदत से मजबूर क्या करूँ whoa. Oh, what about 30? What am I getting that 30 from? Or do I have something down at the bottom? The bottom, I don't think so. What am I getting that 30 from? 124. What do you mean by? What do you mean by that, boy? What do you mean by that, boy? Hey. Diffusina mondaro. So kayo. Got it. Like 30. What do you mean by 30? Mom, I'm getting the dates only. That's 30th of boy. क्या भाई प्रॉब्लम क्या है भाई तुझे बॉय का रहा कितने देर में I'm a white boy. I shouldn't do that. By the way, that works for nested objectos as well. By the way, that works for nested objects too. Đặc được độ địch đắc đục đắng địch đắc địch lục đắng địch lắc đúng đinh lách đinh lắc đúng lịch đinh lách lục đúng bắc mà JSON dot parse JSON schedule and then the revolver as revolver that only does what it does is this. Okay, revolver if the key equals to detto this then return new detto value これだっけ and overall the function returns the value only mama. So like that, and then schedule mama. Then all we do is meet up. Meet ups 2 meetups 2. Oh, that's the one. There is no nothing. There is nothing on 2 boy. And then of this we accessing these accessing getto detto これです。これだっけ？ま that gives us get date, that's 18th boy, and then meetups with 2 arrays like thought arrays. I'm gonna erase myself today. I ain't doing that. Not erasing myself. Oh, hi. Kore dake desu. That's somebody. Yeah, I have an headache, so I ain't doing that. These questions are for tomorrow. We do the summary, okay? Before summary, unfiltered list, ordered lit, unfiltered list, bam. Hi mama. JSON is a data format that has its own independent standard and libraries for most programming languages. Hi, do the shoka. डकार आ जाती है भाई. मैं क्या करूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. JSON is a data format that has its own independent standard and libraries for most programming languages. JSON is a data format that has its own independent standard and libraries for most programming languages. JSON supports plain objects, arrays, strings, numbers, booleans, and all. Hi. JavaScript provides method JSON.stringify to serialize into JSON. JavaScript provides JSON.stringify to serialize into JSON. JSON is just a string, okay? And a JSON.parse to read from JSON. So if that string is being converted back to the real code. JavaScript code like that. Okay, both methods suppose transformer function, okay, for smart reading and write thong, Thailand, and Bangkok. If any object has 2 JSON, and then it is called JSON.stringified. Osaka. If any object has 2 JSON, then it is called by if any object has 2 JSON, then it is called by JSON.stringify. What do you mean by 2 JSON? If any object if any object has then it is called by JSON.stringify boy. What this thing means is that this okay that's there. But that was cringe. But oh my god, What's wrong with me? How long it's been? That's a 2-hour long stream. It's the third stream actually. Been 6 hours almost. Jason.stringify meetup. Mama this in there. So this in there. But चुप नहीं करेगा क्या तू साला कूतरा formatting space time space continuum to like to string for string conversion, and object may provide method to JSON for to JSON conversion. And JSON.stringify automatically calls it available to string for string conversion, and object may provide to for to JSON conversion. Sorry. So my here we can see that date 1 becomes a stringo. That's because all dates have been have a built-in JSON method which returns a search key of string. Here we can see that date 1 becomes a string because that's because all dates have a built-in to JSON method which returns such kind of key. But now let's add a custom JSON for object zoom 2 at the line 2. Okay, there, like that. Okay, this is our number. And then okay this name. As we can see, toString is used both for direct calls JSON.stringify room, and room is necessary another encoded object. To is used for direct call JSON.stringify room and room when room is necessary another encoded. So da yone. Okay, we'll do the questions tomorrow. That's it for today. Had a very long ass hour thing. पता में ओके सॉरी अल्लाह ये नीचे क्यों गिर गया भाई गरीब का माल दिख गया गरीब का माल दिख गया बॉडी दिखाऊंगा मेरी जिम जाता हूँ मैं सपनों में लड़की वाले आते मेरे भाई हमला कर रहे हैं भाई लोग हमला कर देते मैं उस पर क्या करो भाई हवा के झोंके आज मौत रूठ गए bye bye. I will do some Japanese now. Boy, I was so fucking expired. I was so fucking expired. Hi, bye bye. Bye. Me too. Don't worry about it, boy.